Are you a flooring professional who's tired of the limited tools available for fast and efficient commercial carpet cutting? If so, you are not alone. This is why we developed the Premier Carpet Cutter. The Premier Carpet Cutter is a heavy-duty commercial-grade contractor-friendly cutting tool. No more crawling around on your hands and knees with a carpet knife. No more stabbing and jamming the cutter into the carpet, only to cut a couple of feet like a stand-up cutter. Used by itself or with the patented pulling base and diverter pad, the Premier Carpet Cutter will save you time, labor, and money, which today means landing more higher-margin jobs and not straining your employees. Work smarter and save money with the Premier Carpet Cutter. For more information, contact us at www.thecarpetpuller.com.